What's up, YouTube? I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn. Tonight I'm going to do a purple gator jigsaw. I've done one before. It was a little bit bigger than this one, but it's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. And this one's probably going to hurt me right here. We'll find out. Without further ado, the purple gator jigsaw. I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn. Kind of picking up on a floral note. The burn, more like on the center of my tongue. It's kind of like a migratory kind of burn. Felt like it was rolling on my tongue a little bit. But it's basically on the center of my tongue. Right now, I'm probably at a 2. For a non-chili head, they'd probably be like at a 6, maybe a 7. But I'm enjoying this burn. Definitely, this is definitely a good pepper. Another excellent pepper from Linda's Fire Retreats. Yeah, it's definitely staying within the middle of my tongue. Nowhere else really, except for when I breathe a little bit. I sort of feel it hit the back of my throat a little bit, but it's not that bad of a burn. I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn.